Nagalang jong iupat ba ang iiba kataga jing penbaik pun jong ka sorkar Meghalaya ka Shillong tang haka teori om haka praktikal.
The people of Maikhuli in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya today came out to the street in large numbers to protest against the state government for giving the fish pond of Maikhuli to Assam while settling the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. The protest was participated by other NGOs such as Meghalaya People Social Organization, Hinyotrap Achek National Movement, Garo Students Union, All Ribhoi Garo Mahila Association, and All Guwahati Achek Students Association.
This fishery pond is not Maumari bill. So this fishery pond will not go at all to Assam. We should fight and we should stand up from now. We should not sleep and we will fight for our own land and we will not give it away to anyone to Assam. And one thing I want to tell you, they have kept a settlement that give and take policy, isn't it? Yes or no? Give and take policy बोल दिया. लेकिन कहा वो असम लोग हमको दे दिया, थोड़ा जगह भी नहीं दिया. यस और नो? हाँ हाँ नहीं दिया थोड़ा भी. लेकिन उन लोग को असम गवर्नमेंट जिनके ये हम लोग का जगह सब ले लिया. कहाँ गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी यहाँ में नहीं है. So we should understand, we should stand united. I request you to stand united, to stand together and fight for our own right.
Nagalang jong iupat ba ang iiba kataga jing penbaik pun jong ka sorkar Meghalaya ka Shillong tang haka teori om haka praktikal. Namar Shibun kijaka jong ka Meghalaya kila lait no sya Assam ni sokya ka mensim habang yoi ya ki khun ki hajar jong ka briu hanyo trap ki basong basa sya ki border area ki kendu ya ka jinge ki longlang kenya maki haba yoi ya kana jing penbaik put ikerpat sya ka sorkar badan buram bah kidai ban penkelano ya kana ka MOU haka bayadai bat kana ka border area namar yoi ba ki jaka ki jongi ki lalai no sya Assam kabang isau khia bat kaba isau si kalong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya haba ka sanya ka MOU kam syamla buram ya ka district council kam syamla buram ya ki sim kam syamla buram ya ki rangba Shillong ki badai sya ki border area haga jing sisa haswa ba kini apan baik ya ki jaka khaput ki ladai ban apan baik bat ki sodar Shillong ki sim ki sodar Shillong bat ka district council khadang ba kila ban tip ya ka jing sisa haga bayadai bat ka khandau ka syap jongi ka Meghalaya.
I will develop. Where is the development now? Straightforward, no? To those local MLA from Jirang constituency. Where is the development? Pani development ka? Where? Jirang, Patarkama, Bandihat, or Maikhuli Yomkili? During border issue, where are you? Only during election time he will come. He will praise everyone.